Hey there awesome geeks, Ankit is back again with another video, and in this video we are going to design 3 onboarding screens. So let's get started. First we need the first screen. We gonna name it screen 1 or whatever you want. The XD file is in the description, you can check out. And now we need status bar. I just copied it from this XD. What the fuck? Yes, you can get the link in the description as well. And we need to adjust the opacity as you want, and we need 3 dots. You can use ellipsis tool with Control D or Control CV. Opacity as you want, and we are also using the white fill. Yes, white fill. Opacity again adjusting, and Control C, Control V, 3 dots. The first one full opacity, and now we need text views. I mean 2 text views. The first is the title, obviously, and the second one is this summary or description. First we're going to say is welcome to WordUp, and the second one is going to well designed tech news app. Yes, now in your mobile. There you go. Regular and little bit less white grace. And now we need a ellipsis again. Is going to be as a icon placeholder background. Let's change this opacity to 33% and its color to whitish. Okay, a little bit grace. Okay, now let me just bring up an icon here. This is the icon I choose from material library. Let's change this color to white and just bigger it a little bit so it looks great, right? And let's adjust the opacity of status bar again, and just a little bit optimization. Here you go. Here you go. And now another screen, copy paste, and now we're gonna change the color to little bit greenish, light green, and it's titled to at the time, so we're gonna get the notification at the time. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if you haven't, and also like or dislike as your choice. And change this icon to this white icon. Here you go. This takes a time. We're gonna change the XY and the width and height with 87 points, and this is done. Another copy paste screen 3, and this to little bit bluish or reddish, let's say bluish, and make it favorite. So there will be a favorite section if you want in your app, star post you like, and we can read them later in favorite section. Here you go. Let's change the icon to star1. Here I got the icon, and you can get these icons in material.io/tools/icons. Yes, these are free and open source. And here you go, turn to white, and here we go. This is done almost. And let's deal with optimization. Change the dots to second one, and here the third one to third one. Here it is, 100% opacity, and you see something prototype section. We're gonna add some animations. Okay, another icon. Yes, I forget almost. We're gonna need some navigation buttons to navigate. Okay, let's adjust them. yeah, and change the color to white to look as the color scheme it is. And let's group this and just copy paste it here, and we're gonna delete this one, and in this one we're gonna change it to done icon. Here, done icon. Again, this is the material icon. You can get it from the link in the description as well. Change it to white. Here you go. And in the prototype section, we're gonna give it some animations, like this one to slide, push left, push right, whatever you want. Here you can. Oh, this is opposite. We're gonna say push left. Yeah, that one is good. There's a border, that's annoying border. Let's remove this one. And now here to push right and here to push left, not this one. Yes, push left, and yeah, there you go. Yeah, looks dope. You can do everything you want. These are just animations, and then you can change them to native app. And thanks for watching, guys. Oh, these are dots are there as well. Let's change it to 0.2 seconds, and same here, but yes, 0.2 seconds, sorry, 0.4 seconds. And now this one at the center one, push right. Yes, okay, here we go. That's looked up really. Yes, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll surely catch you up in the next video.